all recently deceased individuals form a line.
Hi, I'm Joe Dulude II, makeup designer for Beetlejuice the Musical, and I'm here at the Mac Pro Store in Soho, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite looks from the musical. So, in order to start, you want to have her, because she is from hell, you want to have her a little pale down, and we take very good care because she is darker skinned. We don't want to make her look horrible. We still want to make her look good. So we're still using a warm foundation, but it will be a shade lighter than her normal foundation. And then we're going to just powder down with the invisible translucent powder.
There's a few things I enjoy playing about this character. One, she's very different from the other characters I play. I get to be as mean as I want, without being judged. It's expected, actually. I enjoy adding some physical elements to the character. I usually play like regular people when I'm doing a show. I'm doing a lot of singing normally. But this is an opportunity for me to exercise some of the goofiness, the physical goofiness that I have.
What I do is I put some of the loose powder underneath just to catch any of the eyeshadow that's going to fall, because we're using blue eyeshadows, and so I want to make sure that if anything falls, I can easily wipe it off without having to wipe off the makeup. Next, I'm going to go in with a lighter blue, and this is Triennial Wave. And then I'm going to go in with Brulee. And that just lightens up the blue a little bit and kind of also makes it almost like a grayer blue. And here comes my favorite part, which is the eyebrows, also the most nerve-wracking part. So the best advice I can give you for this is just do it and don't think about it. So one side is always easy. It's getting the other side to match that's going to be the problem. So it helps if you have like a taupe eyeliner, you can draw it in ahead of time and kind of make it, fix it, and it's not going to make a big deal. I am not doing that. But you can also do something where if you measure, you can do a little point. And then kind of connect the dots. And then I'm just going back in with the Brulee just to highlight up to the eyebrow. You could also do the eyebrows first, but I like to do the eyeshadow first so I can see where my brows need to go. Because sometimes when I do this, if I do the brows first, then what ends up happening is I don't leave enough space for all of the eyeshadow. All right. Now you can brush off the excess powder now that we're done with the eyeshadow. We're going to use the Liquid Last liner again. So again, if you don't have a lot of eye space, you can just do a thinner line. Or if your face is a little bit narrower, you can make sure that you just don't pull the liner out so far. Now I'm going to go in with the print eyeshadow, the gray eyeshadow. And just do some contouring with it. And then I'll go in with the Carbon, which is the black eyeshadow, and just deepen some of those lines and contours. So these are the MAC number 75 lashes. So you want the glue to get a little tacky. And with this, I actually place it further out than I normally would to accentuate the shape that we've created with the eyes. And look up for me. Just a little bit of black underneath here. Just in the center. I'm going to add a little bit of highlight to accentuate the cheekbone. Just helps make the contours look a little deeper with a little bit of highlight. And now we're going to move on to the lips. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of the foundation on the outer part of the lip. This pencil is Night Moth, so it's kind of like a burgundy purple. You start by making a V. So once I get where I'm going, I'm just going to round off that top a little bit, so it's not like a perfect hard point. And then with the bottom lip, you're just trying to connect from where you ended at the top lip to the center. You can make this a little more pointy or a little more dramatic. This lipstick color is called Heroin, and we originally, for this character, had black lips, and it just ended up looking too harsh. So we opted for the dark purple. So what I can do is fill in with that, go back in with the Night Moth, and kind of fill in a little bit so that what happens is the part that is the lightest becomes fuller, so it gives the illusion that the lips are even more full than they are. Only thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit of print just out here. And that is the Juno makeup.